Hello student, in last video we seen some journal entries related to realization account. So let us discuss journal entries related to partners capital account and bank accounts. So accumulated profit. So sometimes in a balance sheet liability side given accumulated profit means a general reserve fund, profit and loss account. So this profit we need to transfer in a partner's capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Suppose in a liability side given general reserve, profit and loss account, so we need to transfer in a credit side of partner's capital account. And if this profit is given in asset side, so that time we need to transfer debit side of a partner's capital account. So next journal entry we will see related to bank account and a partner's capital account. So in the balance sheet given partner's loan. So this partner's loans means partnership business taken a loan from partners. So at the time of dissolution of a business, there is a requirement to pay this loan return to the partners. So that's why in a bank account we will directly write in a credit side partners loan, or we will pay this loan. Ultimately, so there is only one entry or one recording in the bank account. So we will not record anywhere. Only in a bank account credit side we will write a partner's loan account. Next, for the settlement of a partner's account. So if after preparing or after recording all the entries in the partner's capital account, we have to check out which side is more than another side. So at the time of dissolution, we will close the business. So we will not continue the business in the future. So that's why we will write here not a balance CD. So we will not closing this account. We will closing the account, but we will not write a buy balance CD or to balance CD. We will write a bank account. Means at the time of dissolution, any of the partners have to bring some amount in the partnership business, or otherwise partnership business will give the amount to the partners. So first, if debit side is more than the credit side, so automatically in credit side we will write a bank account, not a balance CD. So it means here need some amount from partners. That's why he bring some necessary cash into the partnership business. That's what is the entry, bank account to partners capital account. So automatically this entry will be, we will write in a partners capital account credit side and a bank account debit side. Suppose in a partner's capital account, your credit side total is a more than debit side total. So we will write in a debit side of a partner's capital account, bank account and your balancing figure. We will not write a balance CD. So in a partner's account debit side we will write a bank account, and in a bank account credit side we will write a related partner's capital account. So there is at the one time both the account will be closed, means a partner's capital account and a bank account. So in a bank account both the side total automatically should be equal. So there is a, we are not continuing the business in the future, so that's why we will not prepare here balance sheet. Only we will prepare a realization account, partners capital account and bank account. Bank